Hello, my fellas, and welcome back to this temple where you will find your path to greatness. No, just kidding. But yes, you will be able to make tons of money thanks to what I am about to say. Okay, today we will work with Apple and we will continue to overclock our account. We will install indicators. We will install the moving indicators of the middle line, zigzag. Yes, we will install the indicator of assistance with price hikes and price and RCI shows us borders and line resistance lines. Support open the entrance for 2 minutes for $100. Let's enter 3 trades for 2 minutes. Now I will explain why we did I analyze the chart for a long time and install these indicators to show you clearly. Okay, that is, we have price hikes on this chart which follow a downward trajectory. The main chart is highlighted in green. We also see that it is highlighted in the corridor, which is also heading down. And now we see that indicator we have in the middle and value, but the chart tends to overcome the support line. Support, let's mark it with a yellow indicator in principle. This is the middle of our chart, from which our chart seeks to overcome it, and shadows from candles about this well. Okay, friends, we see that so far our forecast is justified with this line has been crossed. It reminds us to expect the closing of this. Okay, if we close plus, then we'll see what to do. We will close minus and open more deals with a double coefficient, even 25 maybe. We will take, so according to the charts, we have a little less than a minute left. And we see that the last seconds of the graph is starting to stabilize. Super. It's okay. Okay, the total indicator will close. We open fakes. 8 deals, 8 trades for 2 minutes. Down. Because our forecast with UDIT not have time to justify itself, but the patterns that we study indicate that the chart will go down and there will be an increase in the rate. We are at Apple today, outside of stock trading. Okay, the percentage hike it's 92% profit therefore. Okay, the profit will be good. Will be good enough as a result of success. And trading with us on the off exchange is going on, but I do not always recommend trading on the exchange because the exchange is better to trade on a regular exchange, you know. But just days off. You can choose to non-exchange trading, for example. Okay, we see that our forecast is now justifying. Okay, before the closing of this, we have about a minute less than a minute. We will wait for the closing of the transaction and see what happens. Okay, so friends, our deals are closing plus. That's very good. All transactions are closed, plus, yes. Oh yes. We continue to set 2 minutes as before. We see that our chart has reached the upper price value. Downward, we see that this is a very good entry point, as our previous value clearly expressed the price minimum of traffic, and now our chart has approached the resistance line of the upper line, the upper indicator. So we came to this point and we have to wait for the closing of transactions. Okay, we see how strong the rebound is on behalf. Then he'll bounce back a little and then continue aiming for her on the floor. According to my guest, before closing the deal, we have less than a minute. Okay, so let's wait. We see right now a good fall, and our forecast, it's fully justified. I think that we will close plus. Yes. So our schedule will not have a time to overcome our maximum value. Although now it will strive for it. After such a fall, there is a certain stabilization and return of the course. Again, these graphs are very volatile, so trade on them. All are closing plus. Fuck yeah, woohoo! Oh yeah. Good news, friends. We have earned over $1,000. Very good. The more detailed price will be later, either in the title or in the description. That's all, guys. We have done it again. As I always say, you study a lot. You have all the information. This is important to analyze the chart. Remember, initially you will need an account, play with the default money, and after, switch to real money. And so, thank you for watching. If you have questions, leave here in the comments, beat the bell, punch the subscribe button, and see you in the next drop. Good luck, winners!